Suppose you want to find n% of x, where n could be any number, any percent. And what you can do, one method is the bubble method, which is kind of a way of organizing all your percent calculations. And what you do is you start at bubble A, the bubble at the upper left, and enter your value. Work your way around the bubble by either dividing by 10 or dividing by 2. And from there, you add up the bubbles that add up to whatever n% is. So for example, if I want to find 65% of 300, I would enter 300 in the upper left, and then 10% of that is 30, 10% of that is 3, so that makes up my top row. The next row down comes from dividing by 2, from the numbers above it. So 300 divided by 2 is 150, 30 divided by 2 is 15. And then the bottom row would take the number into 50%, that 150 divided by 2 again, I get 75. And now, since 65% is the same thing as 50 plus 10 plus 5, I would add up the values that are in those bubbles. So the 150 plus the 15 plus the 30. Add them together, you end up with 180, 195. So thus, 65% of 300 is 195. So use the bubble method to find 7% of 2. So I would start off with 2 in the upper left. Divide by 10, that's 0.2, 0.02. And then cut these in half. The top row, divide by 2, you get 1 and 0.1. And divide by 2 again, I get 0.5. Now 7 is the same thing as 5% plus 1 plus 1. So I take the 5%, which is 0.1. And then the 1%, I guess I do twice. So 0.02 plus 0.02, I get 0.14. So 7% of $2 is 0.14. Use the bubble method to find 36% of 42,000. So I start out with 42,000. Divide by 10, that'd be 4,200. Divide by 10, I get 420. Cut those in half, I get 2,100 and 21,000. And divide by 2, that'd be 10,500. Now, we want to figure out 36%. So 36% is the same thing as, let's see here. Guess we can go 25% plus 10%. That'd be 35 and 1%. It doesn't have to be that. If you want to figure out a different way that adds up to 36%, you can use that as well. But here is the 25%, here is the 10%, and here is the 1%. So it's going to be the 10,500 plus the 4,200 plus the 420. So that comes out to be 14,000. And then 5 plus 2 plus 4, so that'd be, I guess that'd make it 15,120. Let's check. 14,000, that'd be 10,500 plus 4,200 is 14,700. So, and then add 400, so 15,120. Okay. And one last one. Find 80% of 2,600. So again, 2,600, 260, 26, divide by 2, so 1,300, 130, divide by 2, you get 650. And then 80% would be, 80 is same thing as 50 plus 25 plus 5. So I guess basically is adding these three numbers here. So that'd be 1,300 plus 650 plus 130. So 1,300 plus 650 is 1,950. Plus 100 would be 2,050. Plus 30 is 2,080. So 80% of 2600 is 2080.